Are you tired of keeping 20 tabs open just to do basic research? Or maybe you're paying for ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini separately and constantly switching between them. What if I told you there's a way to bring the most powerful AI models directly into your browser, all in one single place? Today, I'm going to show you Cider AI, the ultimate browser extension that is completely changing the way we work, study, and research. And stick around until the end, because I've got a special link for you to get the absolute best deal on it. So, what exactly is Cider AI? It's an all-in-one AI sidebar and browser agent that lives right on the edge of your screen. Whether you are using Chrome or Edge, Cider gives you instant access to top-tier AI models like GPT-4, Claude, Gemini, and Grok. Scenes. You can literally chat with multiple AIs side by side in one interface. No more tab switching, and no more wasting money on multiple subscriptions. Let's talk about research. If you are a student, a marketer, or just someone who reads a lot, Cider is a total game changer. You can use its deep research feature to scan the internet and generate comprehensive reports in minutes. Found a long article or a heavy PDF? Just open it, and Cider will summarize it for you instantly. You can even chat with the document, just ask it specific questions, and it will pull the exact answers directly from the text. We all have a massive YouTube watch list, but who has the time to watch a 2-hour podcast? With Cider's YouTube Assistant, you don't have to. It automatically generates a summary, key takeaways, and even a clickable timeline of the video right in the sidebar. It's like having a personal assistant taking notes for you while you watch. But Cider isn't just about reading, it's about doing. It features an advanced AI browser agent that can actually perform web tasks for you, like extracting data or filling out forms. And if you are in a lot of online meetings, Cider can record, transcribe, and turn your meetings into instant summaries and action items. Plus, its real-time translation feature breaks down language barriers instantly when you're browsing foreign websites. With over 6 million users already relying on it, Cider AI is easily one of the most powerful productivity tools out there right now. So, it saves you time, saves you money, and supercharges your daily workflow. If you want to try it out, I've got great news. Click the link in the description below to get the absolute best deal and an exclusive offer on Cider AI. Don't miss out on upgrading your browser into an AI powerhouse. Hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tool reviews, and I'll see you in the next video.